in there?
I got orange one. Here's two. Here's two loco. It's two loco.
What is it?
What is it?
It's two loco.
It's Toro Loco.
Toro Loco.
Can you open this?
Yeah, I can open it. Is there anything else in there?
Oh, here's another truck.
Who is that?
Who's that?
I don't know who name is that.
You don't-
That's Son of a Digger.
Yes, it's Summer Digger.
Oh, that's another Gravedigger one.
No, that's Summer Digger.
Son of a Digger.
Son of a Digger. It's Gravedigger's son.
Hey, this is my truck.
Wait, Colin.
Show me.
Colin.
Show me. Ooh, which one's your favorite?
Toloco.
Yeah.
Like Toro Loco.
Cool. Okay, let's see Jakey open his
Eight.
present.
Anything
A
else in there,
Summer
Colin?
Digger.
Is there anything else in your bag?
You open those?
See if there's anything else in your bag.
Look, what's in there?
Oh, what's it?
The gummy bears.
Gummy bears?
Is that candy?
No, it's gummy bears.
Or gummy bunnies?
Okay.
Okay, Daddy, can you help Evan or Jacob open his present?
Hang on. Let's open Jacob's presents first. Let's see what Jacob got.
Mmm.
Got snacks.
Jakey likes food. Aw, what's that, Jakey?
A sheep.
Is that a sheep?
Yeah, it's a sheep.
Jakey, you want to take the sheep?
Look at your sheep.
I'll come back to the sheep.
Here's Toloco.
Looks like jammies.
Mmm, jammies.
Always in demand, jammies.
Yes, especially for Jacob who wears them out.
18 months, that's about right.
Yeah.
Jacob, do you like your jammies?
Toloco.
Are they your favorite jammies? Is that it?
You open.
Okay.
You open my truck.
Open your truck.
Here's Toloco.
And what about Evan's gift?
Toro Loco.
Colin, you want to open Evan's gift?
You want to see what Evan got?
Or you just want to play with
What
your...
is that? Oh, okay.
He's just playing with his trucks.
Oh, it's a pacifier clip.
Oh, good.
See?
It's Toloco.
Cool.
Alright.
Say thanks, Grandma. Colin, come say thanks to Grandma on the camera. Say thanks, Grandma, Papa.
Oh, it's